In this instructional video, you will learn how to customize the speed limit settings on your Crazy Bird eBike. Turn on the display and simultaneously press the plus and minus signs to enter the gear selection mode. Choose the fifth gear, then long press the first button on the right to access the speed limit mode. Use the plus or minus sign to set the desired speed limit, for example, limit the speed to 25 km per hour. Long press the first button on the right to save the speed limit settings. Begin the test. Repeat the process to adjust the speed limit to 77 km per hour by selecting the fifth gear. Entering the speed limit mode, setting the desired speed, and saving the changes. Begin the test. For more information, visit crazybirdbike.com.